What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Gala because for the past couple of days this coin is pumping like crazy, but right now we are testing here several important resistances, and of course if certain conditions are met I'm watching here some potential trading scenarios. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take on this coin, of course if certain conditions are met then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Right now you can see that we are testing two bearish order blocks. The first one is between level 0.07278 and 0.06977, but actually this order block is already not that important. The main resistance area that I'm currently watching is the second bearish order block, which is between level 0.0905 and 0.0765. And for example, if we take a look on the weekly time frame, you can see that the level 0.0905 is the, let's say, last important resistance area. And above this level, we historically don't have here that much liquidity. So once there is a breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that this can bring us like absolutely insane opportunity to open here a trading position, because yeah, the potential risk reward ratio on the long side will be really huge. So let's first of all take a look on that 4-hour chart. As I said, I want to see here breakout and then support confirmation. Stop loss in this case will be probably the same as on the weekly time frame. So yeah, the stop loss will be around like 16.2%, which is like kinda huge. So if you want, you can always like take smaller stop loss, but yeah, putting it under this currently bearish order block is really safe. And as your last take profit target, you can either choose let's say to trade a liquidity grab above this bearish order block, above this next bearish order block, which is between level 0.166 and 0.151, but in this case it will give you risk reward ratio only like 5.1. so in this scenario it would make sense to, let's say, adjust the stop loss to like 8.3%, which is still kind of big stop loss, and the risk reward ratio will be that around 10, which is yeah like really good. And as I said, historically in this area we don't have here that much liquidity, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do, let's say, an 80% of the net markets move, but definitely take multiple take profit targets. But because we historically don't have here any liquidity, then you need to take it like based on the risk reward ratio. So some of the profits you will take on the risk reward ratio 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, and then you will save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio 10, the risk reward ratio can be, let's say, around 7, 6.8, 6.7, something like that, which is still really good. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this potential setup. But the more interesting chart is right now definitely a weekly time frame, because under this resistance we are currently around like 667 or like 72 days. So yeah, this is like really important resistance area, and once there is a breakout and then support confirmation, as I said, we will get into an area where historically we don't have that much liquidity, and the next important resistance is starting on the level 0.1891. so the potential risk reward ratio or like potential profit can be here really huge. If you will take this trade on the weekly time frame, then definitely you need to put it above this resistance area. The order block ended on, I think, like 16%, yeah, something like that, but the resistance area on the weekly time frame is kind of bigger. So yeah, let's say set stop loss somewhere around this. I will go with the more safe option, so let's say 20% stop loss, and as your last take profit target you can either use like this previous high, but this will again give you risk reward ratio around 5.2, but around like 100% of the net market move, which is like actually not that bad. Or me personally, I probably want to take the liquidity, let's say, above this previous high, so the last take profit target can be around 0.396, which will give you, even with the 20% stop loss, a risk reward ratio around 16. But yeah, this trade will be definitely risky. There is absolutely like zero guarantee that we are gonna go reach this previous high. I think that in the upcoming bull market it's definitely possible, but we are in the crypto space. There is nothing like 100% guarantee, but again, it's important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take in this area under this resistance, then under this high, and then under this high. And also remember that this trade will take at least couple of months. Like this move is not happening in the couple of weeks. So if you want to have, let's say, more a short-term trade scenario, then trade the setup on the 4-hour chart, which I think can happen in a few weeks. And if we take a look on even a lower time frame, for example 30-minute chart, I need to say that right now I'm not watching here like any interesting trading setups, because on the 30-minute chart we don't have here any important resistances, because yeah, the most important resistance is that order block that I showed you on that 4-hour chart. But if I want to, let's say, open here some, let's say, scalp trade scenario, because we are on the 30-minute time frame, then the only setup that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of testing this lower bullish order block and liquidity grab under it. And this order block is between level 0.0427 and then 0.0417. You can see that for like this order block to be reached, it needs to be a drop around like 41%. So yeah, this is probably not happening. But on the lower time frame, this is probably the only scenario that I'm currently watching here. Another, let's say possible trading scenario will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under all of these like previous lows. So if the market will do, let's say, for example, something like this, then somewhere around here I would consider, if there will be a support confirmation, to open here a long trade. But still, it's not that good as if we are gonna test this lower order block. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the coins that I'm currently looking at, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.